Hello guys, let's start our lesson today about the estimation decimals, about sums and difference. Let's open your booklet from page 28 and 30. Let's talk about the estimation decimals. The estimation is a way to get the number that is close to the actual answer, but not the exact. Here we have many types of strategies for estimating the sum and the difference of decimals. Let's talk about the first type, the front-end estimation. What is the front-end estimation? Front-end estimation is to write the first digit of the number from the left as it is and change the rest into zeros. Here in the first example, 98.65 plus 2.456. Here I'm using estimation by front-end strategy. I'm gonna write 9 the first digit and replace the other with 0. So it will be 90.00. Plus here the first digit is 2. So I'm gonna write it as it is and replace the others with 0. So it will be 2.000. 90 plus 2, it will be 92. In example B, 24.85 minus 7.245. Here I'm gonna use the estimation of front end. Front end here, I'm gonna write the first digit. The first digit here is 2 and replace all the numbers with 0. So it will be 20.00 minus, here the first digit is 7. So I'm gonna write the 7 and the rest will be 0. So 20 minus 7 equal 13. Let's solve together the first example. 8.361 plus 37.12. Here I'm gonna use estimation by front end. Here the first digit is 8, so I'm gonna write 8 as it is and replace the rest by zeros. So it will be 8.000 plus here what is the first digit from the left? So I'm gonna write 3 and add the rest 0. So it will be 30 plus 8 equal 38. In example B, 9.245 minus 6.86. Here I'm gonna make estimation by using front-end strategy. Here the first digit is 9. So I'm gonna write 9.000 minus, here the first digit from the left is 6. So it will be minus 6.00. Now 9 minus 6, it will be 3. Let's talk about the rounding strategy. Open your booklet, page 30. The second strategy here is rounding. Here I want to make rounding to the nearest ones for 98.65 plus 2.456. So I'm gonna underline the ones. The ones here is 8. So I'm gonna look to the right side of 8. So the beside 8 here is 6. 6 is one of the strong numbers. So the strong numbers make plus 1. So 8 plus 1 here will be 9. So the answer will be 99 plus 2.456. I want to make rounding also for this number to the nearest ones. The ones here is 2. What is beside 2 from the right side? 4. 4 is one of the weak numbers. So I will keep 2 as it is. So the strong numbers, 5 or more, get the number 1 more. 4 or less, just ignore and keep the number as it is here. So 99 plus 2, it will be 101. Then I will make adding for these two numbers in a draft. 98.65 plus 2.456. So it will be 101.106. So what do you notice here? That the estimate is closer to the actual answer. In number B, I have the same two numbers, 98.65 plus 2.456, but I want this time to make it rounding to the nearest tenths. So I'm going to underline here the tenths and look to the right side. Besides 6 here is 5, so I will see 5 is one of the strong numbers, so 5 or more get one more, so I will make 6 plus 1, it will be 7, so 98.7 plus what? 2.456. I want also to make rounding for this number to the nearest tenths. The tenths here is 4. What is beside 4 from the right side? 5. 5 is one of the strong numbers. So I will make add plus 1. 4 plus 1 it will be 5. So it will be 2.5. 98.7 plus 2.5. So it will be 101.2. This is the estimation. What is the actual answer? The actual answer, if I make it in a draft, 98.65 plus 2.456, it will be 101.106. What do you notice here? That the estimation is nearest to the actual answer. Example C. Here we have 24.85 minus 7.245. I want to make rounding to the nearest tenths. So I will underline the tenths. Digit here is 8. What is beside 8 from the right side? 5. 5 is one of the strong numbers. So the strong numbers make plus 1. So 8 plus 1 will be 9. So the number will be 24.9. 7.245. Also, I will make rounding for this number to the nearest tenths. First, I will underline the tenths. The tenths here is 2. What is beside 2 from the right side? 4. 4 is one of the weak numbers, so I will keep 2 as it is. So the answer will be 24.9 minus 7.2. It will be 17.7. Then I'm going to write the actual answer. The actual answer is the exact answer. 24.85 minus 7.245. I will make it in a draft. Don't forget to make a balance before make subtracting. So the answer will be 17.605. What do you notice here? That the estimation 17.7 is closer to the actual answer. Let me solve two exercises about estimation. The first one, 8.361 plus 37.12. Here he told me to estimate without mention to the nearest ones or to the nearest tenths. So you have to round to the nearest ones tenths as you like. But the best one or the easiest one is to make rounding to the nearest ones. So I will underline the ones. The ones here is 8. So look to the right side of 8. It will be, yes, 3. 3 is one of the weak numbers. So I will not add any number to 8. So I will keep 8 as it is. So it will be 8.000 plus, let me see, the next number, 37.12. I'm going to also make it rounded to the nearest ones. What is the ones here? Yes, I will underline 7. 7 is the ones. I'm going to look to the right side of 7. So it will be 1. 1 also one of the weak numbers. So I will keep 7 as it is. So it will be 37.00. 37 plus 8, it will be 45. In example B, 9.245 minus 6.86. Here I want to make subtracting. He wants from me to make estimation. So estimation means closer. So he told me here, only estimate without using rounding to nearest ones, tenths. So the easiest one is to make rounding to the nearest ones. So I will underline the ones. The ones here is 9. Look to the right side of 9 is 2. 2 is also one of the weak numbers. So I will keep 9 as it is. So it will be 9.000 minus, let me see the second number. Also, I'm gonna make rounding to the nearest ones. What is the ones here? Yes, 6. Oh, I will underline 6 and look to the right side of 6. It will be 8. 8 is one of 7.00. So 9 minus 7, it will be 2. Thank you for listening. I hope you are enjoyed the video.